So this is our multi-track player just here. It's got 3 pairs of stereo outputs, and right now they are all running into this little mixing desk just over here. Each pair is going for a different set of channels, with the main channel that the audience would typically get going into 2. Let's go ahead and power this thing on. Just got a little light power switch over here. And it will take a moment to boot up and load the program. Okay, so the program is loaded now and it's ready to go. What we can see is the LCD screen is showing that the track 1 is selected and it is currently paused. The blinking LED also indicates quite clearly that it's paused, and a little blue LED over here is indicating that it is paused as well. We have 3 push buttons. We have a play, a skip, and a rewind or stop button, depending on if it's currently playing music or not. And there is an LED for each button to indicate that a button has been pressed. We have 3 potentiometers that aren't currently used. Unfortunately, the issues that we had with the programming meant that the volume control wasn't possible with the current setup. Let's go ahead and play some music. If we go ahead and select our last song, what we can see, we have loaded up a 5-second song, and what we will see is as it plays, it will finish a song and it will run into the next song, which happens to be track 1. There are 7 songs loaded on here, so when it finishes this track, it will go back round to the first one. It will continue playback, which is what you'd want in the band setting. Here we go. There we go. So now it's played that one song. It's going to go on to the next song, which is track 1. It is currently loading. We will see this blue light over here go green. There we go. Now it's going to start playing. I'll leave that running for a little bit. There we go. So let's listen to what the audience might hear. It's just got some guitars and some drop bass. And some keyboards as well that come in as well. So in the band, you might just want to have a bit of drums in your ears as well, just to help you keep in time. But fundamentally, musicians like to have a metronome going on as well. Notice how you can hear that it's all in time with each other. They're all on different tracks, but they're all synchronized perfectly. So you get to customize what you hear in your headphones if you're the musician, as well as set what the audience will hear as well. Because obviously the audience does not want to hear a metronome, but it is an essential part of playing in time as a band if you're using backing tracks. If at any point you don't want to have any more music, you just want to stop the song, you can just press the stop button here. And from this point on, you can continue to select whatever song you want. You can go backwards or you can go forwards. If you want to skip to the song, we can see it is buffering, it's getting ready, it's loading the tracks onto the working memory, and any moment now it's going to start playing that song. Obviously we need to turn the music back on again over here, and we can hear it is working nicely. And that does it.